Hi, I'm Jerry White from Green as Gets, and we're talking about ProGrow 365. What makes it different? It's 365. It lasts one full year. Think about it. Your customer only fertilizes 1 year, actually 1.2 times per year. So if you are eating only once a year and you are getting any other food, think how you'd be feeling. Well, the plants are kind of the same way. So ProGrow 365 is a unique product in that it does give you the NPK, the big three numbers through the full 12 months in every climate. But more than that, it's got all the beneficial bacteria and the mycorrhizae in it. It's got the BioLife complex. So what are you going to get? You're going to get a nice, even growth of your plant material. You're going to get the beneficial to get that soil in great shape with the bacteria and the mycorrhizae, and we have products in there to keep those microbes alive. So this is a great product. If the property is growing well, this will maintain it. If they've treated it recently with either a GuardMax or TurfMax, this will maintain it. But it's what your customer wants to do. They typically only want to feed once a year, and ProGrow 365 will do that. It comes in an 11-pound bag that covers up to 1,500 square feet. It also comes in a 50-pound bag that covers up to 7,000 square feet. So very economical, easy way to do it, and you will get results with ProGrow 365.